Hello, welcome to another Alveo Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to be talking about trailing stops, specifically how to pass off the trailing stop achievement in Beeline Copper 3. A trailing stop is a stop loss that follows the market action. If you place a buy, the stop loss will follow as the market moves up, but the stop loss will stay in place as the market moves against you, but it will resume following you as the market moves up again. So let's get into Alveo and I can show you what that means. There are many ways to enable a trailing stop. The first and simplest one is in one-click trading. Come down here and you check the trailing stop box. Then once you enter the market, your trailing stop is activated. Another way is in the new order. And here's the trailing stop box. You check that, and again, once you submit, your trailing stop is activated. If you want this to happen automatically, come up to your file and settings, and go to your one-click trading and variables, and then you enable the trailing stop right here and save. And you can see it will happen by default whenever you enter the market. So let me explain to you how a trailing stop works. If you enter the market right here with a buy, and your stop loss line is here, as the market moves up, your trailing stop will drag your stop loss line with the market. But as the market moves against you, your stop loss line will stay put. Then as the market moves with you again, your stop loss line will follow. So let me show you how this works in real time. Let me delete my lines here, and I'm going to enter with a buy. You can tell that the trailing stop is activated because the trailing stop box is filled. If this isn't, go ahead and click that to enable the trailing stop. So now you can see, here's my market entry, my stop loss line, and my take profit. So let's wait and see if the market moves in our favor so I can show you what a trailing stop does. So now we can see that the market has moved my stop loss line up. Now, here comes the part where we can achieve that task in Copper 3. What you want to do is you want to delete your take profit line, because if the market hits your take profit, it won't count. So go ahead and delete that, then manually move your stop loss line above your order line, guaranteeing you a profitable trade. So now we let the market close out through the stop loss line, and that will achieve the requirement in Copper 3, as long as your stop loss line is above your market entry, ensuring a profitable trade. There we go, it closed out through the stop loss line. That will be enough to pass off the requirement in Copper 3. And there you go, that's how trailing stops work. One thing to remember, if you close Alveo while a trailing stop is activated, it will deactivate that trailing stop and it will no longer follow the market. So keep Alveo open when you're using trailing stops. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.
If you like this tip on Alveo and want to learn more, like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to understand more about Apiary Fund's proprietary trading platform, Alveo, Lucas holds an online class called Alveo Basic Training every Monday. Make sure to join him and get all your questions answered and get the most out of Alveo.